Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to edit text in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, I'm going to be opening the official Google website for forms right here at docs.google.com/forms. Once you open this up, go ahead and open it up in your URL bar, and once you do, you'll be greeted by the main page of forms right here, where in the upper right corner we can get started for signing up for a Google account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally, and once you have logged in, now we can get started. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, where we can get started creating a new form if you want to, or you can go ahead and take a look at all the forms you have already created right here, and now we can get started. So to edit our text, I'm going to open up one of the forms that we have. If you do not have a form, just create a new one, and by opening it up, we'll go ahead and be taking a look right here at the main page. This is my tutorial form for a video, as you can see, where I have my questions, I have my answers, and so on, and I can get started with editing text. So basically guys, what options do we have? As you can see right here at the right side of the screen, we have this text option that's going to enable us to add a title and a description to our form, so we can go ahead and add any titles that we want, any questions, and so on. Basically this is going to enable us to do so. And if you want to edit your text, you can just click on any text that you want to edit. From here is going to open up this new menu where you can find all text menu options that you have, such as you can bold your text, you can put it in italic, underline, and so on. These are all the options you have. You do not have too many options for editing text. It's very simple. You only have a couple of options. If you want to remove text, you can do so from right here. You can delete it, you can input anything you want, and so on. But basically those are all the options that you have when it comes to editing text in Google Forms. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.